Welcome to episode 44 of 100 Days of Data. I'm Jonas, an AI professor, here to explore the foundations of data in AI with you.
And I, Amy, an AI consultant, excited to bring these concepts to life with stories and practical insights. Glad you're joining us.
So, Amy, here's the big question. Will AI take your job or make it better?
That's the question everyone's asking, right? It's both the fear keeping people up at night and the hope pushing companies to innovate. Let's get into what's really going on.
Absolutely. To start, it's important to understand the concept of automation. At its core, automation means machines or software performing tasks without human intervention. It's not new by any means. Factories have been automating manual work since the Industrial Revolution.
Right, but AI-driven automation is different in one big way. It handles cognitive tasks, not just physical or repetitive ones. Think of things like analyzing documents, scheduling appointments, or even answering customer questions.
Exactly. When we talk about AI and jobs, we usually mean this cognitive automation, the use of machine learning models and algorithms to perform tasks traditionally done by humans because they involve pattern recognition, decision-making, or natural language understanding.
From my experience on the ground, what's fascinating is that this kind of automation often shifts what people do rather than eliminating work entirely. For example, in the automotive sector, robots handle repetitive assembly, but humans oversee quality control and optimize production processes, jobs that require higher-level thinking.
That leads us into the idea of reskilling, which often gets overlooked. As AI automates routine aspects, workers need new skills to complement these technologies. It's a shift from manual or routine knowledge toward problem-solving and creativity.
And companies are waking up to this. I've worked with financial firms investing heavily in training programs so their teams can use AI tools effectively, not just as operators, but as interpreters and decision makers. It's a competitive advantage.
Let's also remember history. Technological advances have disrupted jobs before. The Luddites famously protested during the early 1800s, fearing textile machines would take their weaving jobs. Yet, new industries and roles emerged afterward, often demanding different skills.
History's reassuring, but not a guarantee. The pace of AI development means the transition could be quicker and more jarring this time around. For instance, customer service roles are transforming dramatically with AI chatbots handling common queries. But companies then create roles for chatbot supervisors, trainers, and data analysts.
True. The future of work involves a hybrid approach, humans and AI working together. It's rarely about full replacement, but augmentation. AI handles the heavy lifting of data crunching or routine decisions, freeing humans to focus on strategic, creative, or empathetic tasks.
A good example is healthcare. AI can scan medical images faster and with high accuracy, assisting radiologists. That doesn't replace the doctor, but enhances their ability to diagnose and develop treatment plans, leading to better patient outcomes.
Yes, and this raises the importance of ensuring people are ready for these new roles. Organizations and governments must invest in education and lifelong learning. The data tells us the jobs of tomorrow will demand adaptability and interdisciplinary skills.
I've seen companies set up partnerships with universities and create internal AI academies to help employees reskill. The most successful transformations happen when businesses don't just impose AI, but engage their workforce in the journey.
Another key aspect is the ethical dimension. AI-driven automation might disproportionately affect certain sectors or communities. Planning fair transitions means considering how to support displaced workers and reduce inequalities.
Absolutely. For example, retail has been heavily impacted with the rise of online shopping and AI-driven supply chains, but some firms have reinvented job roles, focusing on customer experience and personalization, areas where humans still shine.
So, to summarize, AI changes jobs by automating tasks, especially routine ones. But it also creates new jobs and opportunities, provided we invest in reskilling and manage the transition thoughtfully.
And in practice, this means leaders need to think beyond technology. They must focus on people, culture, and continuous learning to truly harness AI's potential without leaving talent behind.
Amy, what would you say is the single most important mindset business professionals should adopt about AI and jobs?
I'd say embrace AI as a tool that can elevate your work, not just as a threat. Take an active role in learning and adapting, because that mindset drives the best outcomes, both for career resilience and business success.
Well put. From my side, I'd add that understanding the theory behind automation and its limits helps set realistic expectations. AI isn't magic. It's a powerful tool that thrives when combined with human insight.
Key takeaway then. AI will transform jobs, but it won't simply take them away. Instead, it reshapes what work looks like. It demands new skills, new thinking, and new partnerships between people and machines.
And remembering this balance between risk and opportunity helps us navigate the future more confidently.
Next time on 100 Days of Data, we'll explore AI for good, how it's powering social impact, sustainability, and humanitarian efforts. It's an inspiring side of technology you won't want to miss.
If you're enjoying this, please like or rate us 5 stars in your podcast app. We'd love to hear your thoughts, questions, or experiences with AI and jobs. Drop us a comment and you might be featured on future episodes.
Until tomorrow, stay curious, stay data-driven.